Hello everyone, so how to set up Pandora on a Samsung TV. So you need to launch Pandora and select login. Obviously on your Samsung TV. Then you will need to enter the activation code. And finally select continue on your device. So basically this is your activation code for Samsung, pandora.com/Samsung. You can enter the activation code to activate your device from mobile phone. Open the Pandora app, go to settings and tap device activation. And then you have your Pandora app on Samsung smart TVs. So you can sort your collections from Samsung TV, you can delete stations, you can filter out explicit content, you can sign out. And here is some troubleshooting steps for Samsung TV Pandora app. But yes, Pandora app usually is available for Samsung TVs.